Hi, folks. It's Paul from United Consumers Credit Union to answer another question about mortgage. One of the questions I get all the time is closing costs. What is it? What does it consist of? Well, closing costs can be a little confusing, and so I'm going to try to outline it real quickly for you. Closing costs is the money in addition to your down payment that you need when you buy a home. That includes all the different services that are involved with buying a home. The average closing cost in Missouri is around $1,500, and the average amount of your closing costs is about 3 to 6% of your total loan amount. So depending on if you have a higher loan, it may be a little bit more. If you have a lower loan, it may be a little bit less depending on the loan. It consists of different things. Now you have your down payment. Most down payments for most mortgage programs, you can put down 5% or less. Sometimes you can do more if you would like. But the other parts of the closing costs include lender fees, stuff that go directly to the institution that's doing your loan for you, a cost for the appraisal report, title fees, and that includes all the work that a title company will do to make sure it's a clear title on your property, and also any insurance that you may need. And then there's an additional thing that gets very confusing. It is what's called points. That is, if you're going to buy down the rate at all, it's an additional charge. It also includes the money that you need at the end of the day to buy a home. You must have what's called escrow funds or what's called prepaids. That includes making sure your taxes are paid, you have homeowners insurance, and any other type of mortgage insurance that you may need for the fees that are up front. So understand the money that you need when you buy a house is not only the down payment, but also the closing cost. At United Consumers Credit Union, we try to make it as simple as possible for you so you know what you're going to get into when you buy a home. We have low lender fees and low rates, and that's why I always say, if you have a question about anything, just give one of our people a call at the number that you see right now in the video, and we will walk through all this stuff for you. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time.